Striving to achieve a distinction in your individual units and in the course as a whole is something that you should consider for at least 3 good reasons. First of all, you'll get a great feeling of satisfaction knowing you've been able to achieve the highest grade. Secondly, it'll help your application stand out when you apply for jobs or for the next level of your education. A distinction suggests that you're a person who really puts the most into what you do, rather than somebody who is willing to settle for something that's just okay. And thirdly, the academic standard that you need to meet to gain a distinction is very similar to the standards you'll have to meet if you continue with undergraduate or postgraduate study. The assessor is really looking for 2 things in particular when applying distinction criteria. They want to see an appropriate level of academic rigour, which you need to evidence by accurately citing a wide range of references in your assignments using the Harvard referencing system. The assessor doesn't want to see your uninformed or unsubstantiated opinion. They're looking for your opinion based on the knowledge you've gained and the research you've conducted, accurately referenced. Keep in mind that reference to a learned journal or an established text is much more powerful than referencing a blog or a quote from a tabloid newspaper. And never cite Wikipedia as a formal academic source, because it isn't. Wikipedia is content from various sources collated by somebody who may, or quite likely may not be, a subject expert. So read Wikipedia by all means, use it as a starting point for further investigation, but don't reference it in your assignments. The second thing the assessor is looking for at this level is your ability to apply the theories and concepts you've studied to real-world situations. Ultimately, your business education is designed to help you build a successful business career, where it will be essential to apply your knowledge to real situations. To gain a distinction, you will have to meet the pass criteria, the merit criteria, and 2 additional distinction criteria. The first distinction criteria for Unit 4 asks you to critically analyse and evaluate the different theories and approaches to leadership in given contexts. You've already told us what some of these different theories and approaches to leadership are. You've hopefully applied some of these in your merit assignment. Now you have to critically analyse and evaluate them. You need to make considered judgments about the effectiveness of these different ideas based on what you've read in the course materials. Also follow up the recommended resources listed on the last page of the unit specification, and do your own research and background reading. You need to provide this critical analysis and evaluation in specific contexts. So don't just provide an academic analysis of these ideas. Identify some specific examples of leadership and management in action, apply management theories to these, and then use this as a basis for your critical evaluation and analysis. The second distinction criteria for Unit 4 requires you to critically evaluate the application of operations management and factors that impact on the wider business environment. So again, build on the pass and the merit criteria, but provide more depth. You need to undertake another critical evaluation here. And keep in mind that there are 2 aspects to this question. First of all, a critical evaluation of the application of operations management. So identify some examples of operations management in action, and then give us your considered judgments about how effective it is, where it is succeeding, and where it is struggling, and why. And then you need to apply the same approach using examples and provide a critical evaluation of factors impacting the wider business environment. Finally, here again are 3 things to keep in mind when writing your assignments. First of all, make sure that you sense check and spell check your projects before you submit them. Correct spelling and grammar aid understanding of your key points, but also demonstrate that you care about what you're writing. Secondly, take every opportunity to showcase your knowledge and understanding of the core concepts, models and theories in the unit, and then demonstrate your ability to apply these to real business situations. And thirdly, keep close to your tutor for support and guidance.